Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Bree Curls and I am back with another video. So today I am going to be doing something that I've always wanted to do, and I am going to be dyeing my hair pink. I got this from Walmart. It's like $10. This used to not be that expensive. I should have did this a long time ago because really $10 is way too much for a box of hair dye. So yeah, I'm going to be doing it in pink, and I'm not dyeing my whole hair. I'm just doing the ends of my hair where it's you know, colored at, and I kind of just want to ground my color out, you know. Alright, first you want to have gloves on because you don't want your hands to be pink. So got the petroleum jelly. It comes with the oxide and the bleach, just in case you need to bleach your hair. It comes with the bottle, and it has like this little cap on it. And it says that you should do it on dry hair. So I'm going to start with the back of my hair here. Take this little twist out just to make sure I really get the colors. And I'm going to apply the bleach. The color. And it said that you should always wear your gloves because it will stain your fingers. Okay, so here we go, y'all. It took fairly well. I wanted it to be lighter, but we'll see how it looks once I rinse it out. So you let it sit, and you want to make sure that you use like old towels and stuff so it won't because it will like dye your clothes and whatnot. So since I am dyeing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and deep condition my hair. And this is a split end and repair mask by Eden Body Works. And I'm going to bed, so I'm going to leave this on all night. I love the way this product feels. It's nice and creamy. I like this.